Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hey YouTubers, how are you guys? This is Newton here. Welcome to my channel Light Programmer. Today's topic is control flow tools. Alright. Yesterday's video I didn't mention about this. Set cannot hold duplicates. List can hold duplicates, but set cannot. Right. I hope you can see my Visual Studio. There is a if condition. I'm going to run this program and then explain to you guys. After running this, as you can see, I am assigning the 10 over here to X module. I told you this is very important. It will the output of this is a reminder. All right, if it is 0 for even, it is 0, right? For every even number you will get the reminder as 0 if you divide it by 2. Okay, so as you can see here, 10 is an even. If I try to do 11, 11 is an odd, right? So this is how it is. If condition this, if it is true, then this will run with an indent of 4 spaces. All right, this is very important. There is an indentation class in future videos as well. Do stay tuned. There's a colon which checks this if condition, and then if it is true, then it will print this. Else, if it is not true, then it will go to the else part and then print this. All right, I'm going to comment this. For now we are going to go to for loop. All right, I'll run this program and then explain. As you can see over here, there is a list of strings. Hello Light Programmer. For item in list, okay, I'm going through the list and then fetching each and every single string over here. All right, this is just a variable. You can have it I also. Oh, sorry. You can have this as an I. If you run, it will print the same thing as before. So we'll go to the next one. It's a range. Okay, range control 4. If I'll run this program and then explain the same way. As you can see over here, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 9. The range of 10 is nothing but from 0 to 9. All right, it will fetch each and every value from 0 to 1, 0 to 9, and then print every single time. All right, this is for loop, and there is a break and continue statements. All right, I'll first go with the continue. Let's see what it is going to be. As I'm for looping it from 0 to 10, I'm fetching this. Like if I is I module, it means I reminder of whatever the number that you are passing over here. If it is 0, then you do continue, means it won't print anything over here, it will just continue from here. So whatever the output you are getting with 0, 0 is included here. If I want to do from 1, I can do that. From 1 to 10 means 1 to 9, except the last one. If you run this, then the same one. All right, without the three multiples, it's going to print from 1 to 10. Next I'm going for a break statement. As I will run this program and then I'll explain. We are going from 0 to 10. If I is equals to 3, then break it. Then get out of this for loop. Okay. You are looping through it and you're checking for the condition and then you're breaking it. You're breaking it from this whole loop, all right? Just remember that you are breaking from all this for loop. You're not breaking just for this if statement. Okay, so and the pass is a control flow as well. It will do nothing. Okay, it will do nothing. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.
Zombie Apocalypse.